Okay, what we're looking at here is a 18-year-old twister with an engine that we used at that time. Um, we're not really good at a lot of things, but we are really good at working on our equipment that we designed, we manufacture. We take a lot of phone calls on troubleshooting. Um, we have a lot of customers that whenever they have a 20-year-old or an 18-year-old machine, they have problems with it, you can call us. We'll help you walk through a lot of that troubleshooting stuff. This particular machine had some electrical issues that was brought in here so we could diagnose that. We wound up having to strip the wiring harness all down and find some resistors that had gone bad and a couple of really small 24 gauge wires that had come loose, so that was pretty intensive. But that's all to say, we've used a couple of different engines throughout our 26 years in business, and if you need help, call us. If you need to send that machine to us, we'd love to work on it.